Welcome back to again. In this video, I am explaining how to close background apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's begin. First, unlock your phone. Simply swipe the bottom of the screen to open the recent app page. Here you can see all of the open app listed there. Now simply tap on the close all button at the bottom and close them. After it done, go to settings. Scroll all the way to the very bottom. You can find the developer option. Tap to open it. However, keep in mind, if you don't find developer option there, don't worry. First of all, turn it on. To do that, go to about phone. Scroll down, open software information. Here you can see the build number option. Tap on it repeatedly for multiple times. Then verify to enter your lock screen password and automatically see the pop-up message developer mode has been turned on. After that, return to the main settings page. Scroll all the way to the very bottom. Open developer option. After the page is open, scroll down slowly. You can see various options. Located the running services or similar name, tap on it and wait to open it. And here you can see all of the background running app listed there. Simply find any app if you want to close the background. For example, I will close the Facebook Lite app my background. Simply tap on it. After that, you can see stop button. Click on it and automatically close the app. That's it, you are done. You can follow this method and turn off other app if your phone you like. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching.